I want to tell Bayo, I don't know what he's calling his name, this old man that want to disgrace himself, this old man that wants children to insult him on social media. Sometimes old people, they cannot give their self-respect. Old people cannot give their self-respect. Look at what this old man was saying on social media. That Peter Obi and some of the IPOB members concerning these protests, some of the Nigerian youths want to protest. Now, he's turning everything, saying that Peter Obi and the Peter Obi supporters, they are the responsible for these protests and the IPOB people. When I tell you that this country called Nigeria, that tribalism is too much, this is why some of the Igbos refuse that they will not join any protest in this country called Nigeria. And this is one of the reasons I'm telling Igbos they should not. Because if they join, this man is a Yoruba man. I don't know what to call this man. I don't know what to call this old man. You people are looking for a means to arrest Peter Obi. Make una touch Peter Obi. Make una touch Peter Obi. Make una go touch Peter Obi. Make una go touch Peter Obi. Make una go touch Peter Obi. I want to know what the Igbo people do, you people in this country called Nigeria. Tell me what the Igbo people do, you people. You people are looking for a means to pull Igbo down in this country called Nigeria. Youths want to do protests. Now you are talking about Peter Obi supporters and the IPOB. That means you want to blame all, you want to carry all those things now. The Igbos won't cause the trouble. Now your brother Tinubu caused this protest. Yes. Now Tinubu caused this protest they want to do in Nigeria. Stop blaming Peter Obi. Stop blaming the IPOB people. Now your brother Tinubu, now he caused this protest. Because Tinubu is not doing the right thing he's supposed to do as a president. Look at how private jet, almost 100 million US dollar, either 150 million naira or billion naira, something like that. Now your brother Tinubu, now he caused this trouble. You to want to protest, now your brother. So stop blaming Peter Obi and the Peter Obi supporters and the Igbos. If you touch Peter Obi, you go know say Peter Obi get people. If you touch Peter Obi, you go know how Nigerian youth will turn against you. Now you people are accusing Peter Obi. Tinubu is not the one that won the election. Yes, I take the seat. God bless Peter Obi. Exactly what you people do, Jonathan. Jonathan just move out. And now, people are crying, calling Jonathan back. You people did it to Peter Obi. Peter Obi, the one that won the election. And you people use tribalism. Push the innocent man out. When I won't take the seat with force. Now, what is happening in Nigeria? Since, in about this 1 year now, all the Nigerians now, nobody happy. They won't do protests. Make Tinubu come out. Because that seat did not belong to Tinubu. Tinubu is not the one that won the election. Look at it. It's like Tinubu entered into a house that does not belong to him. Why in Nigeria? Tribalism. And now you want to blame Peter Obi. Not gonna touch Peter Obi. Go tell your brother Tinubu. Go tell your brother Tinubu. Make him collect this country. Make him do the right thing. Fuel is how much before Tinubu become the president of Nigeria? Fuel is how much? Fuel is how much? Dollar is how much? Immediately Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, everything scattered. Una pursue Jonathan. Now, when they cry, make Jonathan come back. Jonathan just they go. Wicked people, wicked country. And now, Peter Obi won election. Una pursue him because now una be what? God is punishing Nigeria. This country, God is punishing Nigeria, and some of the Yorubas and the Hausa and the Fulanese that are supporting evil must suffer it. God is punishing this useless country. God is punishing Nigeria. Jonathan, innocent man, because of tribalism, una pursue the man outside. What is the man? Buhari. P2B come out, Igbo man. He won. Una pursue him outside. Carry and give Tinubu. Tinubu lose Nigeria. Tinubu lose Nigeria. Una see what is happening. Even Tinubu supporters in Lagos, in Yorubas, some of them they cry. Some of them they regret why they support Tinubu. God is punishing this country. God is punishing this country. That is why I tell Igbos, they should not come out, do any protest. Both Igbos in Lagos, you people should not join. Because if una join, that the same people where una do protest with, some of the Yorubas that do protest with two people in Lagos, tomorrow they will be against you. Don't ever, because we are not one Nigeria, don't ever try to do protest in Nigeria. If you come out to do protests in this southeast, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Abia, and all these 5 states, they will shoot you. They will talk saying you'll be IPOB or you'll be unknown government, you'll be inside security. They will carry our allegation, give you. Look at it, look at how they're talking about it now. That IPOB people. So tomorrow, if youth want to protest in this southeast, they started shooting them, na Biafra. I told you people before that if you come and do the protest in this east, they will shoot at you, saying that you'll be IPOB. I said this thing before last 2 weeks ago, last week. Now everything is happening. Let me end this message here. Let me end this message here. But this man, this old man, Sapris, go and tell your brother Tinubu. Tinubu is the cause of this protest. Mind you that Igbos are not here for this protest. Igbos are not coming out to do any protest in Nigeria. So if you don't know what to talk, go and meet your Tinubu. Tell him to stop this evil that is happening in Nigeria. Let me stop this message here. Tomorrow I'm gonna go touch P2B. Tribalism everywhere. Let this thing come out. Let me end this video.